guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. So today I just want to talk to you about a couple of changes that are going on in regards to my eating and my training and everything in between. So this leg injury that I have had over the past couple of weeks has really taken a toll on training the lower portion of my body. It is something that I wish I could just heal very quickly, but unfortunately that's not the case. My doctor still has not cleared me for training, and even though upper body is not technically legs, you still use legs to support yourself and to stabilize yourself with. So I have been doing that. I did go on a bike ride, and I am doing things that aren't necessarily in my doctor's eyes in as far as what I should be doing, but it's hard to keep this one down, guys. I have to be moving. That's just me. So I have a feeling that by me doing all of these things that I'm not really supposed to be doing is not necessarily hindering my process, but definitely not allowing the leg to rest the proper way. And so therefore my healing time is going to be a little longer, and hopefully I don't hurt it in the interim. So anyway, with that, my calories and my nutrition and things like that do not have to be as high as they were, because I am just not as active, and I am not able to do the cardio that I was doing, although I'm trying to do things other than what I'm supposed to be doing to get the heart rate up, but it's difficult. So long story short, I have decided to incorporate Optavia back into my eating until this injury heals, because gosh darn it, I think it's easy. My head is still there, but it's in a different space right now. And so for the last couple days I've been doing Optavia in with my plan, and I'm doing fine with it. I am not looking to lose weight by any means. I want to maintain the muscle that I have, but that's just what I'm choosing to do. My coach is still providing me with my meal plan and things like that, and she has tweaked it, but this is just something that I want to do, and it's very strange, not really, but sort of, that I wanted to say. I have noticed a huge difference in the last few days as to my well-being all around since I'm back incorporating that Optavia food into my day. The vitamins, the minerals, the probiotics, guys, I'm not gassy like I was about 2 weeks ago. I am like feeling really good again. There's just something with the nutrition, and I'm not saying that my coach doesn't provide whole nutrition, because she does, but there's just something with that Optavia food, with all the vitamins, all the minerals, everything, that just makes me feel so good. And I'm there. So I am going to really make a conscious effort to tone it down this week and try to rest the leg as best as I can. I also have, because I have been depending on the other leg a little bit to support, like they call it compensation. I've been compensating for my injury with the other leg. I'm having some hip and knee pain, and the knee on the good leg is now sore, and the hip on the injured leg is sore, and I think that's partly the sciatic nerve, just from inflammation. And so since I've been on this Optavia food, the hip pain is now starting to go away. I don't know if there's any correlation to that, but it's something I've noticed. And the knee pain is just something that I have to deal with now. So it is not fun. It's not. It's really a downer when you have an injury, because your goals are now pushed back. My coach gave me a really good piece of advice the other day. She said, it's not, it's not the right now, it's the journey. Like, I will compete, but right now I'm having a little bit of a setback, and my mentality is always, it is the journey, and it's what you do today that affects later on. So I'm having to switch my mentality a little bit. I haven't told her about the Optavia. I'm sure she'll see it in this video. Hope she's not disappointed in me, but this is just something that I want to do right now. I just don't want to be putting on unnecessary weight when my training is not the same. So the Optavia, again, it's the small meals. It's, you know, every couple of hours. And while you're on this plan, you don't have to work out hard. So because I'm not doing that, this just fits into my day. Just, that's what I like to do. And again, I'm back drinking this core water. I drink, oh my God, at least 4 or 5 of these every day. And yeah, so I'm gonna weigh myself in on Sunday, because that's when I started this last week. So I will keep you updated, because if I see a weight loss, I don't know if it's going to be from the Optavia or am I losing some muscle in the legs. I hope that's not the case, because I've been working so hard at it. But you know, when you don't work out as hard, you can have a little bit of atrophy. So I don't know, it's just something that's going on. But as always, I like to be honest with you and let you all know what's going on. So that's what's going on. And please be nice about it, because this is my journey, my channel, as always. And I just like to fill you in. So that's the scoop. Tonight I will be doing shoulders, and so we'll see how my workouts are going to be affected by this Optavia. I don't know if they will be or not, but we'll see, and I'll report back on that. So anyway, just wanted to keep you updated, and I will talk to you all soon. And I have some videos that I have recorded that I will slowly be putting up, like a food review and some finds and things like that. So anyway, that's the scoop. I will talk to you all soon. Stay focused, stay on your plan, and if you're interested in Optavia, I am a certified health coach. I am a registered nurse. Leave me a comment below, and we'll set something up, and we'll get you on your journey to better health. All right? I will talk to you all soon. Have a great day. Bye, guys.